But first tonight, our deepening water crisis.
Flows into our catchments are down by half. Storage levels are 5% lower than this time last year. There's a strong possibility that Melbourne could run out of water altogether before the desal plant comes online in 2012.
Introducing the AquaGen 3000 from Inc. This may look like a regular water dispenser, but it's actually generating its own water from the atmosphere. The AquaGen 3000 can produce up to 30 litres of water a day from the humidity in the air. Let's have a look at how it works. This is where the AquaGen 3000 draws in air from its surroundings. The air passes through the unit and purified air is exhausted out the back. During this process, the AquaGen 3000 extracts the condensation from the air, as you can see on the LCD screen. The percentage of humidity in the air is also indicated on the screen. The higher the percentage of humidity, the more water the unit will produce. The condensation that has been extracted drips into this holding tank, where it receives its first level of filtration and sterilisation. The water drips down through this carbon filter and into the holding tank, where it is exposed to UV light. Once the water has left the holding tank, it passes through another carbon filter, then through the reverse osmosis membrane. The water then passes through a further 2 carbon filters before it is ready to be pumped up to the top tanks. The LCD screen displays when the pump is automatically activated and the water travels to the top tanks. Once the water reaches the top tank, it is exposed once again to ultraviolet sterilisation. That is the completion of the water creation process, which is now ready to drink. The AquaGen 3000 can deliver hot or cold water on demand, at your desired preset temperature. Cold water can be set to as low as 3 degrees, with a 5-degree tolerance, and is dispensed as you press the blue button. Or perhaps you'd prefer a cup of tea or coffee. Hot water can be set up to 93 degrees, with a 5-degree tolerance. So that kids cannot accidentally scald themselves, the AquaGen 3000 has a child-proof safety lock. Press the lock button for 1 second until you hear the beep. Then press the red button to dispense hot water. The AquaGen 3000, home or office atmospheric water generator. Clean, filtered, sterilised, pure water. Generated out of the air. Hot or cold on demand, and at an average cost of less than 10 cents per litre. Save the environment and on your water bill with Inc. A new direction.